Hello, I am Naresh UC, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government First Grade College, Davanagere. Today I am going to explain Silence the Court is in Session written by Vijay Tendulkar, which is prescribed for 5th semester BA optional students. It is a session 29. In the previous session, we discussed dramatists of the ancient Indian era, pre-independence Indian English drama, post-independence or post-modern Indian English drama. In this session, let us discuss historical context of Silence the Court is in Session, related books to Silence the Court is in Session, key facts about Silence the Court is in Session, and extra credit for Silence the Court is in Session. Let us look historical context of Silence the Court is in Session. Silence the Court is in Session takes place in post-independence India. Indian feminism took a different path than American feminism. Women mobilized for the Indian freedom movement under British rule. After independence in 1947, women's rights often took a backseat to questions regarding the future of the independent nation. Activists focused on a woman's right to work outside of the home, an issue brought to light in silence and a source of many of the characters' resentment of Benare, a working woman. Related books to Silence the Court is in Session. Silence the Court is in Session is based on the 1956 Swiss novel Diaphane, known as A Dangerous Game in English. Other courtroom dramas include 12 Angry Men, whose teleplay predated both Silence and A Dangerous Game, as well as 1989's A Few Good Men. A later play that involves a blurring of the line between real life drama and history include We Are Proud to present a presentation about the Error of Namibia, formerly known as Southwest Africa, from the German Pseudo-West Africa between the years 1884 to 1915. Key facts about Silence the Court is in Session. The title of the play is Silence the Court is in Session. Written in 1963. Written at Mumbai. Published in 1967. Literary period, it is a modern drama. Genre, it is a drama. Setting, a community center in a village in India. Climax, the discovery that Benare and Damle did have an affair. Antagonist, every character except for Benare and Samant. Extra credit for Silence the Court is in Session. Translation. Silence was originally published in Marathi, Tendulkar's native language, and one of the India's 23 official languages. Long legacy. Tendulkar's 1972 play Gashiram Kotwal or Gashiram the Constable is one of the longest running plays in the world and has been performed more 6,000 times around the globe. In historical context of the court is in session, silence, the court is in session takes place in post-independence India. India was part of the British Empire until 1947, at which point it became an independent nation, although it still belonged to the Greater British Commonwealth. In 1950, the ratification of a constitution allowed India to become its own democratic country. Indian feminism took a different path than American feminism. Women mobilized for the Indian freedom movement under British rule. But after independence in 1947, women's rights often took a back seat to question regarding the future of the independent nation. After independence, activists focused on a woman's right to work outside of the home, an issue brought to light in silence and a source of many of the characters' resentment of Benare, a working